Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about how to install the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game onto the Steam or battle.net. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. If you're onto the Steam, launch the Steam and right in the store, in the search box, you need to type in Black Ops 7 and then hit the enter key. Now you need to select the very first option, which is Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Click on it. Now scroll down and you will find the option of play game. First of all, you need to hit right over here to get the game right into your library. Now the game will start to download right into your library. Now go to library. Here you will find Call of Duty. Right click and choose the option properties. Now from the left pane, click on the option DLC and you will find the option of Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Open Beta. Make sure you check mark this only particular option. Uncheck each and every option available right over here except this particular one, Black Ops 7 Beta. After doing so, close it. Download is already started. Once the download is finished, you will be able to play the game Call of Duty Black Ops 7 Beta version right onto the Steam. If you're onto the battle.net, launch it. Again, select Call of Duty and click on this gear icon to open the settings and choose the option Modify Install. Click on the option Modify Install again and right over here again check mark this only particular option, Black Ops 7 Beta. Click on the option Confirm. This will install the game into the battle.net and in turn resolve your issue. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.